Hi guys, it's me, Juliet.
And it's me, Linda Lee.
And today we are chatting with some of the cast from the new Sony Pictures animated movie,
The Mitchells vs. the Machines, which you can see on Netflix.
Why do you need all that to take me to the airport?
I canceled your plane ticket to college. We are going to drive you to school on a cross-country road trip as a family.
The movie is about a quirky, dysfunctional family's road trip gone wrong when they find themselves in the middle of a robot apocalypse and suddenly become humanity's unlikeliest last hope. Today we're chatting with some of the main cast from the film. Maya Rudolph plays Linda Mitchell, the mom. Abby Jacobson plays Katie Mitchell, the daughter. And Beck Bennett voices the PAL robots.
Lily, this sounds exciting.
I know, right? My name is Linda Lee.
And my name's Juliet.
It's really nice to meet you guys. Hi.
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 Hi, so nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. So I just want to say really quick that we loved the movie so much. I think you all really brought it all together, and yeah, thank you for being a part of this masterpiece.
It's so good. It's such a funny movie. All the edited parts, it's so funny. Yeah, I just really like that.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
So there was so much action that you all did in this movie. So did you have voice stunt doubles for the big action scenes?
No, I had to do a lot of screaming, which I have to tell you, when someone asks you to scream again and again and again and again, it's really hard.
Why would someone build that?
And
Yeah.
what we would do is we would save it till the end of the day. So I would record the majority of all my stuff that I needed to record. And then we'd save a lot of the screaming for the end. And the screaming was usually for if I was jumping up in the air or grabbing something or falling down or pulling something apart, all those actions where you have to make sound where you're sort of and it's hard. After a while, you need a cup of tea and a break.
It's all exploding my hair.
Yeah, I think you had the most loud screaming for that movie, especially near the end when Linda just went insane. I love that part.
Yeah, I think that's one of the best parts.
I agree. Thank you.
So what is the main takeaway from this movie? A, respect artificial intelligence. B, family matters most, so don't take them for granted. Or C, make sure to have a pet that you can use to confuse recognition software technology during a robot apocalypse.
Ooh. Those are good.
Good, yeah.
I'm going to go with B, but I wouldn't mind a little bit of C in there.
Yeah.
Just in case, right?
Yeah, C tricked me a little bit. I wanted to go with C, but I think B is the right answer.
Yeah. C was very, very genius of Katie. Is there a family road trip or vacation family memory, good or bad, that sticks out in your mind that happened to you?
My family went to Disney World once when I was young, and that was really amazing. That was a really, really fun, special family vacation.
That's fun.
Yeah.
We went camping once, 3 hours away, and tent and everything. And my dad forgot the poles for the tent. That reminds me.
What did you do?
My mom and I slept in the back of our car. My brother and my dad slept under the stars. But it was definitely a Mitchell family. Where are the poles? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, now time for our last question. Is there any fun Easter eggs that people should try to look at in the movie?
Do you know that Easter eggs in movies is maybe my favorite thing in the whole world? That's a great question.
I agree.
I actually don't know the answer to that. Do you guys?
Yes, there are a lot of Easter eggs in there.
Oof.
Oh, wow.
I just got the chill. So excited.
I don't even know what all of them are. I just saw recently that there are a bunch of little things hidden in there. So
That's exciting.
Cool.
Watch it.
We'll look out for that then.
Good, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us. It was really nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting
You guys are so good at this. Wow.
you guys are great at this. Nice meeting you.
Bye, guys.
Well, our time is up. Thank you to Maya, Abby, and Beck for joining us today. And don't miss
The Mitchells vs. the Machines.
coming to Netflix. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share with anyone you know who loves family road trips, good animated comedies, robot apocalypses, and silly looking dogs.
Pigs.
Dogs.
Pigs.
Dogs.
Loaf of bread.
remain calm. We're here to help.